up, YouTube? Scooter McBurzak here, and welcome back to another episode of Personal Parking Lessons. Now, I'm sure some of you have backed into a parking space before, only to decide later that you wanted to go in forwards. Well, today I'm going to show you how to easily do this. First, start driving slowly out of your parking space. Turn your tires all the way to the right, and then stop when your rear right tire is almost flush with the yellow line. Stop, turn the tires the other way, and then back up until your front right tire is almost flush with the other yellow line. Turn the tires the other way again, and then carefully just creep into the spot there. I was trying to clear a concrete boulder, so I have to be extra careful. Here we go. Job well done. Just straightening out the wheels a little bit here. Don't mind me. Okay, much better. Well, that's it, folks. If you found this video helpful, or if you enjoyed it, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more content like this. Until next time!